I stumbled upon this A-star pathfinding algorithm visualization. So it's pretty mesmerizing. Let's take a look. Let's explore the the beautiful city of Chicago. Well, I don't know if it's beautiful. I've never been there. So what this animation shows us that it selects a beginning and an end and uses a star to find a path in Chicago from A to B, and the same in Rome. It's like a spider web. And we're almost there. And we did it. So this was done using data from OpenStreetMap, OSMX, and they used Python and Blender to achieve this beauty. So I was wondering if I am able to to do something similar with ChatGPT. I'm not gonna do a beautiful animation like they did. However, let's see if let's see. I kind of did something similar. So let's start our Python server. Oh, okay, here we go. So I kind of did something similar. This is Krakow. I live here. We start here, we want to end there. And there we go. Obviously it's not as beautiful as as that animation. It's a very simple animation. No nothing too fancy. I made a script, future proof, I guess. You are able to plug any pathfinding algorithm. I only have A-star here. Input any city for us to download the data, to parse the nodes and edges. I had to make an adjustment to it. Initially, I just downloaded a very large data set. So the files were too big and I couldn't run them in the browser. So I had to adjust. I made it so we can kind of shrink the distance of the data that we are downloading. So Paris, France. Let's try running our Paris small dataset. Now we have to, so we downloaded it. And now based on that data, we are calculating basically what the A-star will find, right? Or the path. It's very small. It's only 350 steps. So it's not that big. Like the distance between the points. The best. And there we go. We can try and make this slightly bigger. I wonder when it will break. Yeah, it already had some trouble. Okay, we are... Now we'll have 2000 steps. The animation will take a bit. And let's refresh our server. I wonder if it's even gonna run, or is it too big? Okay. Yeah, from purple to green. Slowly growing our spider web. Slowly but surely. You can plug any city into this. It's based on some publicly available data. It's been quite a fun experience. I wanted to see if ChatGPT can make this. Obviously, it was able to in a few hours, in like 4 hours, maybe shorter. And most of the time, actually, I spent debugging. Well, I made ChatGPT do the debugging. It was unable to, and when I plugged it into Claude, or not even plugged it into Claude, I kind of asked Claude for advice. And while debugging, Claude was able to show where the problem was, because the program broke, and ChatGPT didn't know why. Turns out we were downloading like a few dependencies, one after the other, like two of which collided and like overlapped, which for some reason made the whole app go mental. So when that was cleaned up, it started working fine. This is this is getting quite big. Oh, as you can see, it's very choppy now. Because it has, it's exploring the edges now. Oof, it's taking quite a while. Okay, let's actually stop this. Or rather, let's try running one for Krakow again, maybe like 3,000 distance, 3,000 meters. And yep, let's do this. It's just supposed to be a simulation. I wish it was as pretty as... Whoa! It's not many steps. That's a long distance. I wish it was as pretty as the one on YouTube. Unfortunately, I have no Blender skills. Oh yeah, this is gonna be looking pretty nice. It's gonna go there, somewhere like here. So this, like, those algorithms are like used in GPS and like pathfinding, right? Obviously, you can see why. I don't think this one is the most efficient, but it kind of does the job. Oh, we're inching closer. Obviously, you can optimize this, right? You can, let's say, discard the edges if they are much farther from the distance, so you don't need to explore those. This is like not optimized A-star at all. This is just simply like the base implementation of a A-star. But you can obviously you can optimize it for the purpose of performance, not exploring the nodes while they are a certain distance or going away from the point. This is just they start growing. Not really optimized, and we're almost there. We are circling around our prey. It's so choppy, man. The map is barely updating. Okay, this takes too long. We're almost there. We'll just go down. Just go down, please. Man. Is this one? Oh, we're almost there. We're like almost there. I think we need one more step. One more step. Yes! And obviously you see that there's probably a better path towards this point than this one. But it's not bad at all. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!